Well, hey, friends, today's topic is going to be what financially secure retirees do before 9 a.m. that struggling retirees never seem to do. Now, we're going to be talking about a financial planner named Tom Corley. He didn't guess about what to actually do and separate people from those who build lasting financial security from people who never do. He tracked it closely for 5 years. Now, this is 233 people who built real wealth and 128 people who were generally struggling. And the biggest surprise in his research wasn't exactly income, it wasn't luck. It came down to six ordinary things done every single morning before most people had finished their coffee. Now, if you're retired or you're getting close to it, these six habits matter more now than they ever did before because at this stage of life, you're not just building something anymore, you're trying to protect. So today, let's walk through exactly what Corley found and how each one could apply to you right now. So, habit number one, they pay themselves before they pay anybody else. Now, in Corley's research, every single financial secure person put away at least 10% of their income, and most put away up to 20%. Among the people who were struggling, that number was close to zero. That's not really about how much you earn, it's about the order you do things. Whether you're living on a fixed income or pension or still bringing in a little part time work, this still does apply to everyone. Decide what gets set aside first. Then build your spending around what's left over, not the other way around, which is what most people do. Now, let's talk about habit number two. They spend real time every single morning learning something on purpose. Corley found that 88% of financially secure people read for at least 30 minutes a day just to sharpen a skill or to understand their money better, compared to almost none of the people who are struggling. 30 minutes a day adds up to more than 180 hours a year. And that's something every one of us can still do. Now, whether it's reading about your investments, understanding Social Security options, or simply keeping your mind sharp, which, if you've watched this channel for a while, you know I care about deeply. All right, now here's habit number three. They look at their full financial picture every single month, not just when something feels off. In the study, 94% of financially secure people reviewed everything: savings, spending, what moved, all once a month, compared to only 32% who were struggling. Pick one reoccurring date, say the first Sunday of the month. That always worked well. And spend 20 minutes looking at the numbers. That's the whole habit. And that's the one that quietly keeps every other habit honest. Now, habit number four, they protect what they built like it's precious because, guys, it is. Corley found that 100% of financially secure people in his study worked with a CPA, something I have told you from day one. Interviewed them. Usually your first meeting is free of charge, and then it's a few $100s. And 95% work with a financial advisor, compared to only a small fraction of the people who were struggling. Nearly all of them, 98% of them, had a current will in place. Now, for us, that translates directly a will that is actually up to date and the right insurance and a qualified person reviewing your plan every so often is the perfect plan that you need to get started today if you don't have it. One unexpected medical bill or one overlooked gap can undo decades of careful savings in a single year. All right. Now, habit number five, they never rely on just one source of money. This is so smart. The financially secure people in this research built income from more than one place. Now, they're talking about investments, rental property, a small side business, income that kept arriving without trading more hours of their life for it. For a retiree, that might look like a pension plus, Social Security plus a small dividend account, or a modest passion project that brings in a little extra on the side. Now, the goal was never to work more. It was to make sure that no single paycheck, no employer or decision from decades ago controlled everything. Habit number 6, and this one is the one that ties all the others together. They set specific goals with real numbers and real dates attached to them. Corley found that 80% of financially secure people were working towards one clear, specific goal every day, compared to only 12% who were struggling. Not, I want to feel more comfortable, something I like. I'd like to have $10,000 in this account by June of next year, or by moving 400 into it automatically every month. We're talking about a number, a date, a monthly action. That, my friends, is a goal. Anything softer is just a wish. And here's the part I want to leave you with. Now, a separate study from Ramsey Solutions, we all know them, it's all over the internet, surveyed more than 10,000 actual millionaires, found the average person took 28 years of study, unremarkable savings, and investing to get to the point where they're financially successful. Most of them crossing that line around the age of 49 to 50. Guys, it's not a lucky break. It's not a shortcut. 28 years of small, boring decisions repeated on purpose, most before 9 a.m. in the morning. And friends, that's exactly what I want to talk about to you on this channel every week. We're going to talk about this particular topic because a secure, boredom free retirement isn't built in one big dramatic moment either. It's built the same way that these habits are, one small, deliberate choice at a time, starting with the one you make tomorrow morning. Now, friends, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our newsletter for more tips and information about this and other important topics. The link to the newsletter is down in the description below. And guys, if you always wanted to start a bucket list, one that you'll actually use, I have a great video about it. It's something my wife and I just started, and we actually took our family out on a cruise. So you can do it. Start one just like me. If you have any questions, down in the comments below, go ahead and just leave me some information. I answer every single comment. Okay. Maybe I have a solution or something that I can send you, a handout or a sheet. All right, my friends, that's it. I'm Mark, Retirement for Seniors. Take care, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.